it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with 52 Weeks of Favorite Photos hosted by Miranda Weber of My Scrappy Life. I am also going to combine this with How to Kill a Kill with Style. I'm still using my Animal Cookies kit from Close to My Heart. And we are celebrating the amazing Helen Ding with 30 Days of Sketches, and this is her sketch today. And she is scrapping with Helen. And not only that, but she is celebrating her 1,000 subscriber milestone. So woohoo! Congratulations, Helen. You so deserve it. If you have not seen Helen's work, you should absolutely go over and check out her channel. I know that she would love to have you. And so we are going to put this layout together. It's going to be pretty quick. I did take, and I'll mention, I was the bonus sketch for this month. I haven't even did the sketch myself, but I saw a few people did take it on for the month. But yeah, it was fun. I like to design sketches every once in a while. So anyways, I flipped, this is Helen's sketch, but I flipped it over this way to do it. So all the little, we have horizontal borders, you have 3 embellishment clusters and photos. So that's how I'm going to play it out. It's going to be, like I said, really easy. I'm still using the papers. I am using photos from this past Saturday. We went to the lake and had a day, and these are pictures of Blake getting in the raft. And I have lots. This came from, someone cut it out. I want to say maybe Kimberly Litton maybe made these for me. If not, I know it was one of you guys. When y'all sent me a bunch of greenery, I have some Simple Stories stuff from a collection they had, and I have some stuff that Lisa Cuneo sent me, and I'm going to use it. And I have this title that was from a swap someone made. I don't know who. And I'm using up my very last pre-made printed page from my kit. I think it was actually supposed to go, it's supposed to go like this because of how the heart is. But, of course, I'm flipping it to make it work with what I had, because on hers she had like a main layer here, and then she has 2 horizontal papers. So I figured I would use this as a horizontal paper, and then I'm going to use this, and of course I have this little green one. And then I thought I would put my vellum. These are my, if you watched my video yesterday, these are my leftover vellum strips that I ripped off of my paper. So I thought I would just add these on the blue to kind of symbolize water. I just thought it was fun, you know, like waves, since he was in the raft. And then, like I said, I have the photos, so I'm working my way up from her sketch since I turned it sideways. So I'm going to put my title here. I'm just going to lay all this out, and then I'll glue it afterwards, and I'll post a photo showing what it looks like all complete, because this is really easy. All you're doing is just laying all your stuff out, and then doing your little embellishment clusters. So I wanted to just pop a few of these in. It's not every day that I have a reason to use cattails, so I wanted to use them. And let's see, I'm just going to create a couple different little clusters. I'm going to use my mushrooms down here, and then I'll put one here, make a little cluster. And I have these that say nature and lake. I've had this, I didn't have the paper collection. All I had, and I want to say maybe I won it or someone gifted it to me. I'm not sure how I wound up with it, but I just had like the ephemera pack for this, And I've had it for a long time, but never really had a reason to use it up. So that's fun to actually get to use something you've had for a long time. Okay. So I just kind of clustered things up. I'm going to put this little box here to journal on. I can put the date. It's pretty self-explanatory. And I like this because it kind of went with the green that was in that animal cookie collection. And let's see. No, I put the other one up here. Just popping out. And then I have these two little butterflies or moths or whatever they are. That was with the collection. Actually, I think those came out of the stuff Lisa sent me. And that is what it's going to look like. I'm just going to glue it all down. Like I said, I'll post a photo at the end. Definitely go over and check out Helen's channel and tell her congratulations on hitting 1,000 subscribers. And check out the playlist below for everyone playing along with 52 weeks of photos and for how to kill a kit with style. Tomorrow means there will be a new kit coming. I don't even know what it is yet. And there will also be a second video up today for my layout share and the monthly giveaway winners. So definitely come back and check that out. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this and that it inspired you. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. So until next time, bye y'all.